In front of me is Honor Magic6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Now, if you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To make them visible and add any other password from those settings, you need at least one. To fix it, hit this gear at the top right corner. Make sure that this switcher next to Offer to Save Passwords is on. Log into any app and hit Save in Autofill pop-up. This way your password will appear over here. To add any other one, use this plus next to Search Passwords. Then enter all of those informations. At the top, type in any website or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!